Imbolc is a pre-Christian Celtic season, the beginning of spring. It's a time of energy, it's a time of hope. It is a really, really good name for a festival of contemporary Irish and international music.
Way down, under fire from high ground, I took my words from the black book.
There's music from morning to night for 7 days in a row. It's a date in the diary, it's a date in the calendar. It's something that people will look forward to year after year.